And now you start thinking that just putting a ball in the basket is a tough job. But I think every tough job has an answer, and the institution provides everything for you. So as I once again convey my best wishes to this institution, I would once again congratulate Dataraj Babu and his entire team for bringing the institution to the standard which Goa has been talking about. Wish them all the very best as they build up the new heights of education. I look forward that they will also be looking at building out new players, new leaders, new captains who will not only make education as a journey or as a part of their life, but also make sports as a career, which may allow them to be, as we were taking the stride, we were told that we have a swimmer here who is representing the country. I think it's a moment of pride for the school, the institution, and Goa as well. National games are on. We have been seeing a lot of talent here. Shwetika has been running the show, and in spite of a busy schedule, she's been here. I think sports today and sports before, a lot of things have changed. My friend Suraj Lotkar also is here, who himself has been promoting cricket in various aspects. Sports which has been inaugurated today. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Dataraj Babu and his whole team for having put up this wonderful infrastructure for you all. Something which is done by the school and something that is valued is, I think, something which the students need to look upon. An institution which caters to the students to ensure that they get a all-round development of what they want to be, I think is a wonderful idea. I have seen schools, I have seen institutions, and I strongly believe that you, all you children of today, are the future of tomorrow, the leaders of tomorrow. And if you need to be strong in all ways, extracurricular activities play a big role other than your education. Education is a must, but sports teaches you many more things. Teamwork, ethics, discipline, leadership. I think many qualities which come out of sports, whether they are individual sports or a team sport. Coming here a couple of years back, I've been a parent who has been absent most of the time for the PTAs. Principal Sharmila will echoed a section on this. But then, time always being a constraint, my wife Nilan has made it a point to make up for all those things. Nihan has been a cricketer, having represented the school. I think they were fortunate enough to pick up a trophy before he passed out from his 10th standard. Nupur is here. She's also like me, jack of all trades. And I think there is a must in today's life. Today we talk only about education, we talk about marks, we talk about percentages, we want to be the first everywhere. I think it's the journey for all of us to understand that we need to understand everything and anything, because the space new generation are in is a very different generation. Whether we call them millennials and some new words my daughter told me, I can't get them right now. But the new words which have been maybe new to our ears. But as generation changes and as challenges come in, very important is your basics and your institution. These nostalgic moments will never come back to you even if you have the money and you want to pay for it. So as you enjoy your school period, school time, school days, it's very important because you make the best of friends today. After your school life, you make acquaintances, you make different people as friends with a different thought process. But what starts from school are friends for life. And I think that's what counts when a strong institution like Shraddha Mandir trying to build up each one of you individually. Coming here today, I could see Zumba, various aspects of sports being showcased. And it gives an insight of how much work, whether it's Ma'am Sharmila, Ma'am Oscar, Ma'am Dataraj Babu, and his entire team, the efforts along with the teachers and coaches everybody is putting to make this institution the best.
As a legendary basketball player, Michael Jordan once said, I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I have succeeded. These words encapsulate the essence of sports and the importance of perseverance and resilience in achieving success. By investing in this new basketball court, we are not only providing a platform for our students to excel, but also teaching them invaluable life lessons that will stay with them long after their school years. One cannot undermine the significance of sports in life of a student. Engaging in sports activities offers countless benefits on and off the court and in daily life. Again, not to damage this flooring, as it's a very special flooring for basketball. I think the only one of its kind in Goa. In conclusion, the opening of our first indoor basketball court signifies a new era in our school journey. It is promising to our students, it is a promise to our students that we are dedicated to nurturing their talents, support their dreams, and provide them with an enriching, holistic education experience. Let us celebrate this milestone together and embark on this journey of excellence.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.